Hi, everyone. Today, we'll discuss QR code generation under HarmonyOS application development. I originally intended to use a local virtual machine. There was a problem. It cannot be opened. It's okay. We should use a remote virtual machine. I can't afford the P60, so let's go with the P50 for the virtual machine. Let's get the program up and start running it. Here, we can input a series of letters or numbers. Alternatively, it can be a mixture of numbers and letters. This part is a bit laggy. Let's click a few more times. Take out WeChat and scan to verify. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.